guys, we are outside. I just wanted to come out here. Outside felt so nice. Like, yes, I just wanted to feel that breeze on my skin and and just like bring you guys along with me. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna actually challenge myself in trying to apply my makeup, do my whole face in 15 minutes. Listen, this is a challenge for me because typically I take like maybe 2 hours. Listen, do not judge. All right, so I usually take maybe around 1 to 2 hours to do my makeup. Ladies, you understand, if you do makeup and you want to make sure that you are looking flawless. Okay, so I'm gonna challenge myself to see if I could do a 15-minute makeup tutorial. We're gonna see if this is going to be a flawless look or maybe a total disaster. All right, so I'm so scared. I wanted to come out here to hear the birds chirping, to feel that nature, to feel that breeze, to kind of tame my anxiety. Okay, because I don't know if I'm gonna be done on time. Okay, so let's get straight into this look. So I'm gonna go in straight with my brows. Ooh, you hear the birds chirping? Isn't that lovely? I'm gonna go straight into my brows. Right now it's 211. 211, okay? My face is already moisturized and prepped, guys, for this look, because you know you can't do all of that during the space and time that we're working with. Found it. I'm gonna add another extra minute, okay guys? Natural lighting is the best lighting, right? Usually it takes so long on the brows, but we can't do that today, so I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Let's put this on the back of my hand like so. my gosh, guys. Why am I doing this to myself? What time is it? It's 2:18 now. Am I even gonna have time to apply lashes? Oh my god. Oh. Look at my brows. Oh my god. I cannot. Cannot handle this anxiety, okay? Oh. Oh my god. Oh sis. Oh sis. Do you see what's going on with these brows? Oh my god. Oh sis, see what anxiety does? Oh my god. I think I should just come back to this, right? I think I should come back to that. Let's come back to that. Let's do the, you know, I'm just gonna let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm going in the shade Mako and the NARS, and I'm going to use, let's just use this. Now listen. Oh my god. Listen. Look guys, I didn't even prime my face. Oh my god. Listen, I needed to do this look outside so I could just calm myself down. I don't think I could do lash. At least I want to make my face look, you know, the foundation application look okay. How do people do this? Like, how do people do this? Like, come on, this is just too much stress. I'm just gonna warm my face up with this Fenty. I'm just gonna smudge that away. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to put on lashes. So My brows are partially done. Okay, so do I have time? 23. Let's go under here with concealer. I shouldn't even do concealer. What am I thinking? Well, maybe I do. Enough. Let's just blend it out. So I'm just gonna go in with my Real Technique contour brush and just blend this out. Okay, now I'm gonna set it with my milk. I have 2 minutes. How can that be? See how time go by so fast. I cannot. Ooh. Guys, I have 1 minute left. 1 minute. Oh. Let's press this in because let's put on some lip. Can I put on a little lip? Can I put on a little lip? Ooh. Okay guys, this is how far I reached in the space of 15 minutes doing my makeup. This, what do you guys think? I didn't even finish my brows, but I mean, the brows doesn't look too bad. It don't look too bad, right? But this is how far I reach in doing my makeup in the space of 15 minutes. I mean, maybe if I did a timestamp of 25 minutes, I think I'd complete the whole look. What do you guys think? Y'all want to give me 10 more minutes? Yes? Alright, you guys giving me 10 more minutes, right? Yeah? 10 more minutes and I finish this look? Yes? Alright. So right now we're gonna wait until the clock reach 2:30, okay? And then we're gonna start. You guys gonna give me 10 more minutes. You guys promised me 10 more minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see if your girl can do her makeup in 25 minutes. Because y'all see how far I reach in 15 minutes, right? And almost done. Like, I know I skipped the primer, but remember I used my e.l.f. booster drops and apply that. So, right? And I'm not looking too bad either. I don't think I am. But remember, this is gonna come off, okay? So we gotta do this off camera. The hair. Alright? So 10 more minutes. You see why I had to do this video outside? Because this is a stress, this is an anxiety, this is bringing too much anxiety. Too much anxiety this is bringing through me. Okay, so I have to do this outside where I hear the birds, feel the breeze, you know, just like hear nature, okay, to kind of calm me down. Okay guys, I'm back. All right, so 10 more minutes. It's 2:31, but yeah, so 10 more minutes and then we are going to finish this slate. Okay, so I'm gonna set my brows. No, I'm kind of, why this chair? You hear this damn chair? I need another chair. So I'm gonna set my brows so that they don't slip and slide. Okay guys, so this is the look that I was trying to go for. I don't know if I would be able to accomplish that in 15 minutes, but thank you guys so much for being so generous and allowing me 10 more minutes to complete this look. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and guys, please be safe out there. If you don't have to go outside, please stay inside, and we will get through this. We'll all get through this, guys. Just let's stick together, stay inside, call our loved ones, and you know, just keep in touch. Okay, just a phone call away. Call our loved ones, check in with them. And yes, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed, however, to this channel, please click that subscription down below. Bye.